Well, there's only one word to sum up what happened last time we went out in Travis. That's disaster. But not to worry, because we've hatched a plan. What we're going to do is try and finish off the interior of Travis. So there's leisure battery. It's so easy to get van envy when you spend so much time on YouTube. But I've got to be realistic. What we're going to be doing to Travis is going to be done on a budget and in a very, very limited time frame. Now, I did cobble something together when I first got the van, but really it wasn't that great. I mean, I had lights powered by AA batteries. Anyway, we're just a week or two away from all Ford, so the clock really is ticking to get him looking presentable and practical. And to add to the pressure, I might have entered him into another car show. One at a castle. So yeah, I really do need to think about getting a move on. We need to go grab some supplies, and then we're about to make some serious changes to Travis. First stop, well, I've got to pick up something to help combat the cold.
Five minutes later.
I also need to swing in past B&Q for some wooden battens, which we're then going to fasten to the roof cross members. See that foam that I just picked up? We cover that in silver tape to stop the moisture transfer. We'll also drop some cables through. And then we need to get some shiny new boards on to cover all that up. I'm absolutely not sponsored by these guys, but their service was bang on. I got everything delivered to me, which was only something like an extra £5, so definitely give them a shout. While we were installing the new roof panels, it was another chance to top up the van's insulation. This is a serious case of deja vu. We'll also be doing something similar to the back doors, but for now, that's just going to have to wait. So for the first time ever, ladies and gentlemen, that's the new leisure battery, Travis now has his own independent power supply. So the next time I'm out, I'm not going to have to worry about bailing if I forget to take a power bank with me. I can still charge my phone, and I've got lights. Speaking of which, I've put some handy switches right next to the door. So, with the switch fitted, it's just a case of doing some cable management. Nearly. We're through. That was kind of like doing the Channel Tunnel.
They're through, hey!
I've got a dimmer switch, which will power the LEDs, which eventually will fit up on the roof somewhere about here. And I think the switch can go somewhere about here. Just sort of fine and handy for my bed, really. And then it's on to fitting the LED strips. Honestly, Chuffed doesn't cut it. Well, it's been a bit of work. Not on my part, admittedly, but as you can see, Travis now has LEDs. Oh, he's got a couple other toys as well. We've got spotlights, which we've put above the side door and the back door. And just in case that wasn't enough, that works as well. Big kids and their toys, eh? Honestly, what a difference to Travis just having the ceiling and the lights in place has made. He's like a brand new van. Now, a couple of things I still need to do. I need to do something with the wall. I need to replace these battens, because believe it or not, these are structural. The short wheelbase Transit only has beams here and at the bulkhead, so there's not a lot holding the roof up, so I need to cut one long length just to look a good bit neater. And then the only other things I'm scratching my head with are how to build a curtain across the bulkhead, and I need to put one across the sliding door as well, because they've obviously gone with refit. I think for the side window I can just do like a foam insert that I put in place when I'm parked up. I think that's going to be the easiest solution. The bulkhead, there were little plastic clips in the caddy that you then drop a curtain pole into. If I can find them, I think they'd be perfect. Just one more quick thing, and it's the return of the fighting octopus. Sorted. Like I said, there is still quite a lot to do, but for now, it's time to get him looking respectable for Castle Fraser. I don't know what it is, but these wheel nut covers do like to travel every time. So the point of this was to get him ready for the Aberdeen Performance Car Show at Castle Fraser, where I've only been once or twice. This was my first time at the show. And I know what you're thinking. Transit van, performance car show. It just doesn't work, does it? Point being, I was on the club stand with our pals the Fordy Misfits. I think in all there was something like 900 cars entered, and a van or two. Travis wasn't alone. So apparently we're up for an award for club stand, and this one has to go up. The Misfits won Best Stand last year. This time out, well, we came fourth, which is still pretty good. And there was a trophy for Ian as well. He bagged third place in the show and shine, despite telling us all he hadn't actually cleaned his car beforehand. I was actually working on the morning of the show. We put the van out the night before, and as usual, it was a bit of a rush around, meaning there was loads I didn't get round to looking at, because you just end up bumping into folk you know. But it was a great afternoon out, and now I think I've got the motivation again to make sure Travis looks his best for all Ford. If you've enjoyed following along, please make sure you hit subscribe. That way you're not going to miss out on any of our updates. And also, let me know in the comments below what you think of the transformation. What would you have done differently? Is there anything else we should maybe do? Let us know, and catch you in a couple of weeks for all Fords.